Welcome back to Sonic Social Tech. Today in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Samsung Quick Share not working. Just slide the upper menu and find Quick Share. Just continuously tap down Quick Share. Just find who can share with you. If you select no one, then change into everyone. Then go to About Quick Share and check for the updates. If your Quick Share is not updated, then update your app, because updating your app prevent too much glitches. That's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.